I've been sent a package. Let's open it up and have a look what it is. Well, I know what it is. Let's have a look. Two trepanning tools. I haven't seen these for a long time. I made these about 15 years ago. But as you can see, they've suffered some damage. Okay. Wow. These are part of an order. I think I made about 15 in total. And rather than making a shank from all, I just made one shank and then these flanges on end so they didn't have to mess about changing them so much. Alright, so what I've got to do is get rid of the end and remill the cartridge pockets. So another job for the Dean Smith and Gray lathe and Bridgeport mill. Let's get them unwrapped and out machine. This is what I need to repair the tools. Thimble, steady rest, large cone to fit inside the bore of the tool. I have to say, this is possibly the worst damage I've ever seen on one of these. So I'll clean this up a little bit with an angle grinder. Get rid of most of the heavy damage off it so the cone will fit better inside the tube. So I'll get steady on first. What I'll do first is clock it up at choke on this end and then set the thimble true. No matter where this is running, it can be running how it wants. The first job is to set the thimble running true first and then throw the tool once there's the thimble's running true on the steady. So it's clocked at choke. It's running as true as it can with all the burrs and everything on the cone. So now I'll clock the thimble or spider, whatever you want to call it. So let me get the spider running true. So the spider's running true, clock true at the choke. So now I can set the steady rest onto the spider and then set about turning away the damaged end. So now I can turn away the end. Slowly, where it's been rubbing and rubbed away, that will be super hard. There's just no way for me to get through this end. When you talk about metal and it work hardens, that's work hardened. So So I'm using the in and out with these two tools. One way, then the other way. That's just about through. I'll manhandle that part off and then clean the face of the front face of the tool. So that's this one, ready for milling now. So before and after. I'll do the same with the other one and then start to mill them. That's them both done, ready for milling. That's quite a job getting those off. Anyway, ready for milling now. Set on the Bridgeport mill. I like to make sure that the handle clears. I'm using 1/4 of an inch 4 flute solid carbide end mill. Complete waste of time trying to use a high speed cutter. When these tools are rubbed, this is either made out of EN24 or 4145, and when it's rubbed like this has, it makes it really hard, and high speed just wouldn't cut it. So carbide end mill for the inner cartridge first. Time to fit the outer. So that's this one finished. One down, one to go. That's them both finished. Right, it's Sunday afternoon. Manchester United and Manchester City are on TV. And I'm going to meet John Smith. Thanks for watching.